Meet Portia, a jumping spider. Only the size of a pea. To survive, she has to eat other spiders, all armed and dangerous, and some more than double her size. Portia is up to the challenge. Her brain may be the size of a pinhead, but it's a powerhouse. A golden orb spider waiting to catch prey in a deadly, sticky trap. Portia approaches with extreme caution. Careful to keep most of her body off the web, she plucks. The vibrations fool the orb weaver into thinking there's a struggling insect trapped in the web. It's a stroke of genius. Once it's in reach, Portia pounces. Her deadly venom overpowers it in seconds. Her brilliance lies in her ability to change her tactics. A silver-faced spider, high out of reach. This web can't be plucked. Assessing her surroundings, Portia looks for a vantage point. Until she has the upper hand. She makes an anchor point to bungee undetected. And this genius jumping spider feasts again.